Hello kids, let's learn to week's name. Kids first, color name: green color, brown color, yellow color, sky blue color, light green color, light pink color, red color, pink color, purple color, orange color, and blue color. Kids, week's name: S U N D A Y. Sunday. Sunday means Ravivar. M O N D A Y. Monday. Monday means Somar. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Tuesday means Mangalwar. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Wednesday means Budhwar. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Thursday means Guruvar. F R I D A Y. Friday. Friday means Shukrar. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Saturday means Shanivar. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.